Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today we're going to be covering how to send a survey to your customers or to your internal users. So a couple of things to mention that you need to have. First, you will need to have an active survey that is ready to send or ready to go in order to send it. I'll show you what it looks like if it is not active. But you also need to have surveys enabled, again, to even have created this. And so how you would do that is by going to setup and then in the quick find searching for surveys and then going ahead and enabling it there. It's just a quick toggle on. So I'm going to go over here onto the first survey, open the latest version. So this one currently is not active. So it would look like this when you don't have it. It's a little opaque and hard to see, but it does say that you need to have an active survey. So I'm going to reactivate this and then I'm going to go over to the send tab, and here we can send it via an email for our users. This way we can send the survey link and see the preview. We can send it to individuals or a list. Okay, let's send it to an individual, and then we would choose who it would be for, and it would have a open survey button, and then the final page would just be you sending it out. The other way is to get an invitation link or QR code to share via chat. You can share it with people within your company. You can also auto expire it on a certain day. So let's say you only wanted this survey to run for a week. You could do that. You can let participants see their own responses, anonymize responses. And then you can also share it with outside your company, but you will need to change some settings within the Experience Cloud site and just make sure all of the settings are appropriate there, so then you're not giving access to internal system to these external users. It's super important. But anyways, that is a quick how to share your Salesforce survey out to your company or to other users or customers. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. You can check out the blog at salesforceemily.com and any courses at salesforceupskill.com. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.